Hello, hello.
Hello.
How are you, Pascal?
Good. I was not good last week, but yeah, that's part of the
Better.
game. I lost
Yeah.
the challenge, and yeah, I learned from it. I made a very bad mistake. I was adding positions.
This is a risk disclaimer. Trading any financial instrument involves a risk of capital loss. This stream is only for educational purposes and not investment advice. So try not to fuck it up. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and personal results in general
Oh wow.
are
Yeah, that's
difficult
when
to
the problems
replicate.
start.
If you decide to watch, follow, and you screw up, you can only blame yourself. And now, click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. This is a risk disclaimer. Trading any financial instrument involves a risk of capital loss.
Definitely will. But
This
you only
stream
started
is
trading
only for
a year
educational
ago.
purposes and not investment
So you-
advice. So try not to fuck it up.
Oh,
Past
yeah,
performance is not indicative of future results, and
Hello. Good afternoon. How is everyone?
Okay, thank you.
Let
Hello,
me
how are you,
just
Thomas?
check. Hey, Ahmed, you missed the morning session. Wakey, wakey.
Yeah. Well, I was asleep.
Trading money never sleeps.
Yeah. Well, I opened the position. I set my buy limits on gold, but it didn't hit.
I am in buy as well.
You're in buy or you have a buy limit?
I am already in the buy, but I'm already in the buy since Friday.
Oh wow.
On gold.
Yeah,
That's my girl.
but there's a nice wedge, and I saw it. It's always pushing up, so I do expect at least to the 1815, 1830. I don't know. It should be because it broke support, so now it should test it as resistance.
Mhm.
But I don't know because we had the wedge. No, the channel. What is it? Bearish channel. It was a bullish channel where it broke out, and I don't know if it reaches till there. If it takes some time, it can reach it.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's the end of the month, so don't get upset if you know your trade hit stop loss on my setup. It's not advised to trade at the end of the month, but we have seen, or I posted this analysis last week Friday. I'm still sitting in the position, currently running in profit, but you know it could change anytime. It's the end of the month. I'm still fairly bullish on the short term that you know price should hit at least the previous daily high. I think it's going to happen today or the latest tomorrow, and then we're going to see a spike down when the new monthly candle opens. But at least the short term, really intraday, 1800 is definitely, in my opinion. But you know, market doesn't care about my opinion, so we'll see.
I did my. I'm looking now for trades only 1 to 3, and I put my TP 1796, 1797. Then I have a risk reward 1 to 3 from entry.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I think another strategy is if you know exactly the key levels, then you can just scalp it as soon as price touches. Like, do you remember last week 1805? You know, I posted a setup, price tapped into 1805. I literally to the pip, and then it jumped up $3-4. But obviously it was wiped out 15 or 20 minutes later. But you know, for 15 minutes, that $3-4 jump is really reasonable, and you can catch each day, just these $3-4 jumps, ask Moraine, who spoke this morning, how profit potential, how much money you can make out of these, you know, small jumps. That's one strategy. The other one is, yeah, you can have the risk reward, depending on, you know, what is the size. But, you know, whatever suits. You have to find your edge, your way of trading, and then everything should be fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so quick break. Guys, if you enjoyed the conversation, the discussion, and, you know, just being with us, this is for the Zoom team and on YouTube. Please help share the link, because this morning I didn't say I wasted 2 hours, but the participation rate was really low. So I want to see at least 100 viewers this afternoon. So if you like the channel, please help a brother out. Share the link. Thank you.
I'm not really a morning person, Thomas.
No, it wasn't particularly aimed at you. You know, everyone. Because you know, setting up these live streams and Zooms, this takes time and you know, investment of my time, energy, and knowledge.
I didn't vote for the 8 o'clock, eh?
You can rewatch it.
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Hey Thomas, how you doing?
Hey, who are you? Who? Pinkesh.
Yes.
Hey, yes.
We are having Chinese holiday started yesterday, so a little bit
Good.
relaxing. The video you uploaded, that sent the link to the email, and that link doesn't work for me for some reason. I don't know. Is it
What
just the
video?
link or other? The morning briefing you upload onto the website.
Yeah, you go into the website.
And that directs to the sign in. And once I sign in, it asks, they send some links on the email.
Yeah, because it's a seamless link. So I will sort that after the stream, because I don't want to put your details into the live stream.
Yeah, sure. No, it's not a
but
big issue.
usually how it works, you get the link, so you don't need a password to log into the website. But I'll show you how it should work. So it's in the learning tab. Well, I'm already signed in, but it's in the weekly webinars. So the morning briefing is uploaded. Did anyone else had any issues accessing it?
Nope.
Oh, that's a sexy voice. Yeah.
Okay.
By the way, I check. Send your email in direct, in private, and I have a look on your account to see what was the error log. But by the way, if you guys have any, you know, friends who wants to join, there's only, I think, 3 spaces left, because I limited the members. Only to 10 people can join each month, so there's going to be a limitation. There's only, I think there's 3 spaces left, so feel free to share.
Sure.
Going down, Forex AM official on YouTube asking, can we buy gold? I don't know.
You can always buy gold.
Exactly, market is open. Yeah. It was a very wise answer, Pascal. Why not? Buy gold.
Yeah.
No, it's not a financial advice. You know, we have to be really careful what we say on YouTube, because like there was guy, what was his name, Robert Singh. he joined the YouTube conversation and he blew his account.
Ooh.
Yeah,
risk management, not good risk management.
No.
That's always the danger, eh? That when you're putting analysis, then people they jump in and they over leverage their positions, and then their account is blown, and then you have done it. No, you didn't take a proper risk management.
Of course we did it. I did it, because, you know, they're expecting signals, and, you know,
Yeah, but even
expecting.
though nobody's perfect, eh?
Yeah. Oh, people on YouTube, this is for you. If you want to be a better trader, go and hit the like button on YouTube under the video. You know that little thumb up? Hit it now. And you're going to see immediate improvement
Result.
on your on your trading account.
Yes,
Just
I
put
agree.
it. Yes, and your account, you will be flying.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, please guys,
That's
I mean, setting up this whole thing is fucking tedious, and I want to see results because it's frustrating that we can't hit 100 constant viewers, so please help, yeah?
Yes.
Hari, how are you? How was the giving birth today in the hospital?
Yeah. I was stricken, so there's a woman deliver, so I have to take care of her this afternoon.
Yeah, by the way, who doesn't know that Hari is a doctor, so you know, big thumbs up. Oh, we just got 13 likes on YouTube. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it, guys. So now I'm going to give you a signal. So instead of chatting, how about we do some analysis? So looking at the gold market, you can see nothing changed since this morning. It's the end of the month. Price took out the previous day. It didn't even take out the previous daily low, but now it's hovering at the previous daily close. So there's a big chance, you know, it can go either way because the previous daily high, the previous daily low are almost equal distance from the current spot price. So, you know, I'm still in a buy position. I don't suggest you should jump into a buy. It's the end of the month. You know, my position is on the screen. You can see my stop loss. This is not the financial advice, but what I'm expecting short term, if I go back to the 1 hour time frame and listen carefully, we had an impulse move to the downside. This is the 1 hour chart. If I go to the 4 hour chart, you can see how nicely this bullish trend line, well, and some help from God helped to catch the fall. And I'm expecting in the short term, at least after this impulse move, to clear 1808 and then 1828. Now it looks like a long shot, but you know, at least this is a, you know, just under 400 pips. So if you can catch it, I will be happy as a bunny. Whether gold is going to drop after this, I don't know, but short term, this is my view. Price should go up from current price level to 1808 and then 1828. What's going to happen after, I don't know, because if we extend this channel that you can see on the higher time frame, right, this one, you know, price can easily play around in this wedge until it closes in, and it can either way, can go both ways. The good thing is that if you're patient and if you know gold and if you know how to trade gold, look how many nice wedges we have on gold. It's no magic, it's the same kind of market structure over and over again. This is the behavior of gold. Once it breaks out, it flies thousands of pips. Doesn't matter which direction it's going to break out. If it can catch and if it breaks out from this wedge, we know the result. We just need to find a good entry point. I am bullish on gold for, yeah, I am bullish on gold for various reasons. I explained in the Sunday video. I think the Fed will be unable to raise interest rate in the current economic market conditions. If you think logically that currently we have experiencing supply chain issues, we have a really really tight labor market. So what is the guarantee that the Fed has the ability to at least to consider rate hike? As soon as, and also they confirm that it's going to be data-driven rate hike. They're looking at the labor market, they're looking at the growth numbers, but you know, it's not as strong. Okay, inflation is high, but it's going to peak out in a couple of months or 6 months. It's not going to drop, but the rate of change is going to slow down. And if the Fed is unable to raise interest rate, that means one thing: people are going to go back to gold. Mark my words. That is what I'm expecting.
I have just an opinion. Just give a contrary view, and it's not really. I'm just wondering something. I mean, the structure of the last, on the shorter time frames is fairly bearish. Could that, those the movement which we've had over the last couple of hours, could that be construed as a bear flag in the overall structure, or is that extended too far to be a bear flag?
Like this
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
It can be considered because if you use the Fibonacci, but it's more like a correction than a bear flag. You can call it a bear flag.
I'm just sort of wondering because I'm not really,
Look how nicely it respects the 7860, and I did miss it. I've seen analysis. I've seen many of my friends who trade at the bank and retail. They sent me. They said it's going to drop, but also we had a break of 1830 right here. So it can go both ways. I missed the drop, but we catch the fly from 2nd of January. So you win, you lose. Yes, it broke the market structure. This is why I'm aiming this level 1809, because that lines up with 38.2, 1806. If it comes a little bit higher to retest the bottom of this channel, which you spotted very nicely, Alan, well done. That's 1818, maybe 1828. That's what I'm aiming for. Where are we gonna go from that level? Market will confirm. It's too difficult to predict, and if anyone tells you that they know exactly where gold is heading, they're lying. Saying after I just promised that gold is gonna go to 2000, but anything can happen within this range. That's why I say at short term, try to aim for the short-term moves like this one. And until we wait, let's have a look on US 30. So US 30 had a little bit of drop. GBP USD had a bit bigger drop since this morning. Did anyone catch GU?
I am in a buy, actually.
Oh.
I'm in nice profit. I went in the buy because I saw previous it broke the current channel. That was a false breakout. And generally, if it already broke out, it goes back to that side. I don't know, it could be yours. I have a 1, 2, 3 that I set up.
Is it your standard now, the 1 to 3 risk reward?
Yeah, I'm trying that out at my demo account to see how that works. I'm not taking everything, but I'm looking in the weekends how the close on the daily, what that's telling me. And I saw on the GBP US dollar that on Friday it was it was resisting. So that's why I say, okay, I'm gonna take that.
Okay. AUD USD, sorry to interrupt, Pascal. Who remembers what we discussed this morning?
Sure, I remember.
He wasn't even in the meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now price is trading above. Who's this loud? Is it you, Ahmed?
No, it's not me.
Oh, it's Wambul 22. Somebody really wants to go to the waiting room. And
I'm
he's
also in a
waiting.
buy at AUD.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump into a little buy.
I went in last night.
Oh, why is it not working? For some reason I can't execute a trade on my MetaTrader.
It's the end of the month, Thomas.
Oh yes, thank you for reminding me. No, but funny thing is that maybe I'm missing a window, but for some reason I can't execute a trade in my MetaTrader. It doesn't really like the new M1 silicon chip, and it does funny things sometimes. Well, anyway, maybe it just doesn't want me to trade on the last day of the month.
Yeah, exactly.
But
you will.
it's an omen. But let me send you this position so at least you can take it. So I'm sending it to Discord now.
Okay.
So someone just asked, "Hey Thomas, can you suggest some books for trading?" Yeah, my shelf is full with trading books. Trading in the Zone, Market Wizards. You have Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. There's loads. So much, so many. I'm just restarting my MetaTrader. How many we have in the Zoom? 33. Taco Tuesday from YouTube, just going to sign up now. He messaged me on Instagram. Michael Stojanovic. Where are you from, Michael? It sounds like really Balkanic. Like Serbian, maybe?
I just delete my buy limits on gold. I will wait for tomorrow and enter tomorrow for the buy.
Yeah, it's the end of the month. It's, just observe the market.
Mm-hmm.
Friday NFP.
Oh yeah. We like NFP,
Yeah.
don't we?
Yeah, nothing happens.
Will you trade it?
We done that a couple of times, but nothing happens. It's boring.
No.
Ah,
I mean this time.
TPI is more exciting.
Yeah.
2
yeah,
hours
because
after.
yeah, we know what's happening with CPI.
2 hours. We have to wait for 2 hours.
Good thing is you have an in-house economist. By the way, it's priceless.
Exactly. We're
I'm
thankful.
I'm having my first golf competition on Thursday.
For how?
Trading.
Since how long?
I haven't played for more than 2 months, so we'll see how it goes.
Do you
We'll hit
practice?
all over
luck.
That should be a relaxing game, eh? It's the same as trading.
Come on, guys. 86 viewers on YouTube. Can we push it up to 100? If you all hit the like button on YouTube, apparently the algorithm, based Pablo said, is going to pick up.
I was just wondering why my Forex fund is blocked in Iraq.
I think many companies are blocked in Iraq.
Yeah, exactly. Even NFT, yeah. Even NFT websites are blocked in Iraq. I can do nothing here.
Yeah, but I used to work for Thomson Reuters, and we were not allowed to sell any products to Iraq. No. We'll figure out something for you.
I have that with brokers in Belgium. They, the only one I can is IC Markets. All the rest, they say Belgium citizens we don't accept.
Oh.
It's rules in Belgium. We are not allowed to trade CFDs.
Strict. Even Germany, the tax is huge on trading.
Here is not allowed.
Taxes?
And they say 50%. That's huge.
Wow.
For all the work you take, for all the risk you take.
Bikram, can you mute your mic, please? It's always the same people. It's so funny when they start talking and speaking. Okay. Bikram? Is in the waiting room. Okay. So, 37 people in the Zoom. How is everyone?
Good.
You are awkwardly quiet.
I also took a sell on USD CHF.
USD Swiss franc. What was the
Yes.
reasoning behind?
I was looking, if you look to the chart, it failed to make a higher high.
Just one sec.
I don't know how it will play out, but I went in. I'm still a little in drawdown.
So, let's have a look on Pascal's position on USD Swissy. You went in a sell. Oh, that's beautiful. On.
Yeah, I saw a lot of resistance there. So I said, okay, I'm gonna take the jump.
That's that was a good call, I have to admit. Polyplopimus. That's an interesting name on YouTube. Are you Greek? Polyplopimus. Sounds like Greek, doesn't it?
I also learned something with the pivots lines. That
Share your knowledge.
if you combine other pivots, like say you put a daily on, you put a weekly on, you put like say Camarilla pivots, it will become messy, eh? But you look to confluences, and generally, not always, but generally, if you look then to price action, there's always a reverse at these areas. So every day you can check that you see, okay, there's a weekly that come together, the Fibonacci pivot, the Woody pivot, or the Camarilla pivot.
Yeah.
And there's a big chance that there is a reversal at that point.
Ah, okay, so it's like a cluster of pivots.
Yeah, and then if you put your Fibonacci also on it and it aligns, that makes the probability even higher.
I think what I noticed with the pivots is they usually give the same entry points. So there's a few dollar difference, a few cent difference. There isn't a huge difference between them.
Because on the, what was it, when it was at 1853, 54, the highest point there was confluence with Fibonacci, 78%, with the resistance from the pivot. And there was also a confluence from, what is it, Fibonacci extension, the 61% was there. There was a Nike pick.
A Nike break. Oh, I'm learning
a
new
Nike
things.
pick. Nike pick.
Nike pick.
A Nike
How do you
pick
trade
is like
Nike picks?
A Nike pick is also like Harry Potter sign. It has, so the start is like a 1, 2, 3, but we call it the Nike pick. So you have point A, and then from it has to retrace a minimum of 50%. And then you can take with Fibonacci projection, it would go to the minus 27%. But you have to look if there is confluence at that point. So if the normal Fibonacci retracement and the Fibonacci extension align, there's a great probability for reversal. And that was with gold, that was, yeah, it reversed.
Oh, God.
What's wrong?
On Instagram, there is this annoying scammer. You know, they're too stupid. So this scammer copied my account.
Ooh.
Let me just show you. Yeah. So look at this picture, and she or he.
You're popular, Thomas.
Yeah, but who the
You're
fuck is
famous.
Harriet? Who the fuck is Harriet? So, okay. How about we? Let me just copy the account. I'm going to post it into the Zoom chat. So please take a second and report this. Annoying.
Yeah, I've already done it. I did it earlier.
So, oh God, I can't even look at this picture. It's disgusting. Let's have a look on the charts instead.
USD cat, I am in a cell.
Yeah, but it's a retracement. So if you look at the charts, depending on what's your goal, and you know, you can take counter trade. There's nothing wrong with it, but I've seen many times that I place a trade and people say I'm in the opposite trade, but yeah, because you counter trading. So USD CAD, I think I know what you trade. What you aiming at? Is this little retracement you aiming for?
I do, yeah, 1, 2, 3.
50 pips. Let me grab some tea. AUD USD is moving nicely. Stop loss a little bit higher.
Just reported a friend.
Sorry?
Yes, really nice.
I just reported a friend.
Oh, thank you so much. We switched already topic. We're looking at the USD. Wagwan. So I made £46. How great is this afternoon? I'm loving my new position.
You ever visit
Gold.
Jamaica?
Pardon?
You ever visit Jamaica?
Have I been to Jamaica?
Yeah.
No, but I would love to go to Jamaica. We could hang out.
True.
Would you take me out in Jamaica if I visit you?
Sure.
Where would you take me?
All over. Like Duns River Fall, Negril.
Would you introduce me to your friend Ronay?
Yeah. Definitely.
She's in the YouTube chat.
Really?
Vonay, not Ronay, sorry, Vonay.
I didn't know. Well,
Is she Jamaican as well?
yeah, she is.
I had many friends from Jamaica in London. Right, I'm going to start sharing the YouTube stream because we under just 85 euros. So Michael Taco Tuesday just asked, what's your opinion on what's your thought on AUD USD? Long. So I just posted this based on the break of the blue line, just to simplify things. I'm expecting price to go a little bit higher. How high? I don't know, but if I make some good profit, I will close it down. Oh, so this was my analysis in the morning briefing. Do you remember this, guys, in the morning briefing?
Yeah.
So it retested, now it's above the pivot, and now it's going to fly. And now I have covered my breakfast, my lunch and dinner for tomorrow on AUD USD.
Nice.
It's a good day. I have something to eat tomorrow. Yeah, these are the positions I have currently open. Yeah, £55. How awesome is that? I can drink 2 coffees now.
What time you go to the gym in the morning?
I have gym stuff at home. Kettlebell, dumbbell.
Oh. Nice.
So just adjusting my take profit to AUD USD because there was ridiculously high. It looked really good on YouTube, but it was a bit too high maybe. And until we wait, oh, £67. That's a beautiful trade. Until we wait, I'm just going to send and share my video in Facebook. US 30 is coming back up. Let's have a look on gold. Gold is not really moving. I think it's the end of the month.
Hey Thomas,
Who's that?
this is Bjorn from Nigeria.
Bion, how you doing?
I'm good. Say my name again?
Bion.
It's Bjorn.
How do you say it?
Say Bjorn.
Bion.
Well
Good,
done.
wasn't it?
You tried. Hey, something weird happened to me today. I reached out to Raul about it. I thought maybe I should share it with you.
Is it something personal that happened to you, or did you
Oh
see
no,
a doctor?
Just trading.
Ah, okay. I
Trading.
thought it's you got beaten up by a
It's
girl
not
or something.
Nah, women are wonderful. So my orders were getting stopped out on US 30. I don't know why. It's never happened before.
Your orders
know.
got stopped out on US 30.
Yeah, I just sent it to the Discord. It's like very weird.
Did
A
you have
few
enough?
of them, actually.
Maybe
Yeah.
because did you have enough money on the account?
Yeah, I
No
do.
money.
That's why it's weird.
One thing I can think of is that because it's a 0.10 lot, maybe no, because you traded with. Have you contacted the broker?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this broker.
Who is it?
Okta.
Who? OctaFX.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you definitely want to change. It's personally, I haven't heard good things about OctaFX, but some people like them, some people don't. It's personal preference. But if you haven't I can recommend 4XC while we're talking about brokers. It's a good broker.
Nice.
Fast execution. Let me just show you. So they are offshore, but for me it's perfect. For me, even British brokers are offshore as well because they're not part of the EU. So I'm not affiliated with 4XC, but I'm helping them. A small broker, but really, really flexible. They help me a lot. So in exchange, I do some promotion for them, but I highly recommend them because I know how they work. I had a discussion with one of the account managers. They are connected straight to the market liquidity provider. So it's no bullshit, no dealing desk. They're not holding back accounts and positions in a pool. So it's a straight broker. Highly recommend them. If you have any issues, they can sort it out with the liquidity provider. So have a look on alphafx.eu/4xc. If you go to Discord, the link is in the announcements, I think, but you will find it.
Got it. Thanks.
You're welcome. So, someone on YouTube just said, I want to talk with you. I want to talk. Dr. Vijay. Vijay. What do you want to talk about, Vijay? Oh, so Michael, my friend from Serbia, just joined to our team. Welcome to the team, Michael. check your email, because the website sends out the joining email, the welcome email, automatically. There you have the Discord link, and you can join the Zoom conversation, and you can be on the other side, not just on YouTube, but you can be in the group Zoom call.
USD, GPY, I'm also in.
And why are you not sharing your perfect setups with us? You just keep shouting that I'm in this position, but you know, you never give us a heads up.
I did. You have to look. I sent in the, where is it? This weekend, I sent all my positions.
Have you?
Yeah? Share your chart. Wait.
Oh, damn it, I missed it. Yeah.
I put in AUD, USD, but it's all 1 to 3, eh? USD CAT, USD CHF, USD GPY. You can still enter.
Can I still enter? Sorry, I'm trying to multitask, but I'm not really good at it. So
USD GPY. There are multiple rejections.
I need to add it to my list because I'm not following it for a few weeks.
Thomas, what are your thoughts regarding GBP/USD?
I think we had this discussion earlier. So let me just deal with Pascal's USD Japanese yen. So Pascal, please.
Rejection, and you see it failed to make a higher high.
Ah, yeah, I see. So nice trend line break first, then lower high, wiping out the previous higher low, and now shifting. So people who want to jump into this, how should we tackle?
A buy.
I went on this rate. I went in 113 point. No, that's my TP. My entry was 115.313. My stop loss I put 115.71, and my target I take 1 to 3 is 113.75 with a 1% risk.
What is your TP target? One.
My TP is 113.75.
Wow.
It's a 1 to 3. No, you have a 4.4.
Yeah, but I'm using tighter stop loss.
Ah, yeah, okay.
And it looks better on YouTube.
You go for the 1 to 4.
Ridiculous profit.
You go for the 1 to 4.
Look at it's amazing trade. 1 to 19. Yeah. How cool is that? And look, it's already in profit. You can see. Wow. Instagram traders and YouTube.
Oh,
Take profit.
It's in profit. It's in profit.
I am 11k in profit on my demo account. Oh. But okay. I took 2 trades on Friday, GBP USD and gold, where I didn't manage the 1% risk. I just wanted to have a little fun, so I took a 10. But the rest, all I did 1% risk. So I calculated my pips, And I say, okay, I risk 1% and I go for 3%.
Wow, guys, we have 100 viewers on YouTube.
Congratulations!
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. You know, it's good. It means a lot to me.
What? YouTube?
You deserve it, man. You deserve it.
Thank you. Reynolds, you're a new member as well. How do you like it with us?
Oh, I love it. So much less stress. I'm not doing it alone anymore.
Oh yeah, we had this discussion. You said you were trading like a headless chicken, haven't you?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that was you. Yeah, I remember.
Yep. Now it's so much better. So much more better.
It's easier when you have people helping around you.
Yes, while I'm learning especially. And your videos are really, really good, man. I really
On
like
the website.
On the website, yeah. I've just been going through it in order one by one. And even my Fibonacci and so on, I redid it. And now I understand much better how it works. At least some of it, no? Much better.
Good, thank you. I try to take them as easy as possible. Andrew J. Yakolov, are you in the Zoom?
Yes, I am. Hi.
Thank you so much for your message, mate. I appreciate it. It's not me, unfortunately, on Telegram, as a shit ton of scammers trying to copy me. Apparently they like bold and old guys.
You're not that old.
Experienced. Or vintage. No, that's not nice.
Seasoned.
Just one.
In my opinion.
Pardon?
In my opinion, USD JPY will create a nice bullish flag, not that much downward movements. You can connect the highs and the lows at the
I'm not
last
trading.
moment.
I think it's Pascal you want to talk to.
No, talking generally.
Right, let me just have a look at my positions because, you know, that's enough. We have to do some serious work.
I have 13K already profit.
What? On your funded...
Wow. 14K. Let's move up.
Wow.
Yeah, but 2 trades I did not is not the rules, eh? But the others are all with the rules, eh? That's what I want to do when I will restart the challenge. By the way, Raul said you would maybe plan to do afterwards a woman's challenge.
We can talk about it.
That would be nice. See, the men versus the women.
Yeah, but come on, you know, it's a lot of money. So, so those of you who don't know, I paid for a MyForex Funds account, $100,000, and I wanted to give it away, like I do every month, giving away free stuff, you know, Lamborghinis, Dubai holidays, and all that. So this month I decided I'm going to be more modest and, you know, just give away $100,000 account. Not my money, obviously, it's someone else's.
Old shooting up, Thomas.
Hey!
16K, Thomas. I won the challenge in one day.
Congratulations. So many things happening, I don't know what to start. Well, anyway, so $100,000 account, 4 people managing it from the group. It's an experience. From, you know, instead of 1 person, it's going to be 4 traders from the group, and they keep all the profit. If they pass, it's their account. I'm not gonna give it away fully. If they fail, well, I'm going to have a conversation with them.
Thomas, I'm so disappointed.
Why?
You didn't pick me for the challenge.
Come on, man. Anyway, so don't take the word away from Pascal. Yes, we're going to do, probably it's a good idea to do only for ladies, a ladies trading team, trying to take over my Forex funds. But let the boys finish, because I don't want to divide the attention. I don't want to choose between you and them, but obviously I would choose you, but don't tell them. You know, we focus on one. If they pass, probably in a couple of weeks, then we're going to do one for the ladies.
Awesome.
Maybe, how about they pay for your account from the profit if they pass?
Nice.
That would be good.
That would be a return on my investment instead of, you know, just giving money to everyone.
Sure.
Work for the money, you know. Let your colleagues buy your FTMO or my Forex funds. But by the way, who's in gold?
I am. I reached my target. I'm out.
I am in gold.
My 1, 2, 3 has reached.
I'm in gold, Thomas.
I'm in gold as well.
Yay!
Gold diggers.
Yeah, in it.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, that's definitely. I'm going to have a breakfast tomorrow. Is Michael in the group? Michael Stojanovic. He just joined. No, he
Thomas,
didn't.
you're leveling up.
Sorry?
You're leveling up.
What do you mean?
What I mean is, on YouTube, I'm making profits with gold.
I mean, I think that's what they call live trading.
News.
Yeah, 106 people. You know, the problem is that people want to see money, but they don't see behind what goes into the analysis. They're just asking buy or sell. Where do I enter? And, you know, if you want to answer this question, you have to learn how to trade. You cannot just ask, do I buy gold or sell gold? Anastasia, I'm not even trying to Zaitseva. She's coming. I recognize the name. She's usually coming to our YouTube streams. She said, "Give us a link. We will go and claim." I think she's talking about the My Forex fund, maybe. But yeah, it would be nice to have another lady in the group, and you know, just do the challenge.
Yeah. Hello, Thomas.
Batches.
That USD JPY, where is your CP?
I have no idea what about USD JPY. Speak to Pascal. It's I'm not in USD JPY.
I'm also trading USD JPY. I want to sell that here. And my CP is 113,500.
Pascal said it's 113. It's 13.75. Yeah, somewhere around here.
I'm looking at 113.500.
I am not responsible for this trade.
Problem.
Full disclaimer.
Yeah, okay.
Taco Tuesday Michael, come and join the Discord. And come to the Zoom. We have a new member, new colleague. Give him a warm welcome. So Ilya Tsikochaikov asking, any good entries or it's a bit too late to enter on some of your trades right now? I can recommend you a good trade, which was analyzed by Pascal Noel, so she's 100% responsible for this trade. USD Japanese yen. It's on the chart. Let me just show you. So I'm going to send Pascal's email address. If anything goes wrong, send her an email.
I also support that USD JPY, so
Yeah.
my analysis was that.
Pascal is a good trader. That's her trade. I don't want to take merit for this. It wasn't my trade. Oh, Michael has arrived.
Welcome, Michael.
Michael Stojanovic. He's from Australia. He just joined the team.
Oh, welcome, Michael.
Hello, Michael.
Welcome to the Alpha family.
He's not talking.
Maybe he's shy.
Welcome, Michael. Welcome.
I think he just joined.
He's shy.
Welcome, Mike.
Yeah, Isaac. Such a lively Zoom session today.
Last day of the month now.
Yeah, just count the money. That's all we do at the end of the month, innit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Feels like January is a long month. You know? Feels long by the month. Can't hang.
It is long. It went quick. It went fast, I think. Right. US is opening soon, so it is advised to close down some of the positions or realize some profits, because we are going into the US session deeper and deeper, and this is where, you know, you get those ugly reversals. Let me just go switch back to TradingView and observe the market. You see that these red lines, PDH, PDO, PDL, 2 PDLs, anyway, it's a mistake, but price is currently hovering just under the previous daily high, which is yeah, sorry, just answering. So the previous daily high, which was the previous low as well, lower high. So it's advised to take some positions because, you know, price could pull back anytime, but the initial target is 1808. I'm not sure if it's going to happen today, maybe tomorrow, but we'll see. And let me just invite Mix. Have you seen the T on the beat in Discord? Damn, Thomas, I swear every FX play you trade always works south. Are you a market maker, fam? No, it's bullshit. And oh, Taco Tuesday Michael has no microphone, but I think he's in the Zoom. Anyway, welcome Michael to the Alpha FX team. You arrived home, my friend. Your final destination. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a look on risk management and move my stop losses into closer. Maybe not gold, but have a look on AUD/USD. USD CAD is going nicely. All positions are going nicely. Okay. Suni Onyayeka, YouTube. I'm new here and I feel like I have found my tribe, trading-wise. Still learning. Yes, we are a good bunch. I think the community is absolutely mind-blowing. The support, the help, the banter. It's something that I never experienced in other trading groups. And this is the part where you guys join in and just say yes, it's true.
As we were Earth?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, second Thomas. No, I think the group has been quite good, especially if you remember the day we had wrong on some goal position, and at that point Thomas came out with some 30 lots or something. That was motivating to me at least. So sometimes it really helps the different strategy with the different people. It's a good group overall, I think.
True. Especially what amazed me, it's people from definitely all around the world coming in as one, you know.
Yeah, the good thing about the group is, why should you carry the burden of trading, emotions, fear, loss, win? You know, why should you carry all this package alone, where you can surround yourself with people, like-minded people who went through the same things. And you know, I'm really selective about who I let into the group. If you know exactly how many people I kicked out with good reason. Those who've been longer in the group, I removed some people because I didn't feel that they have any additional value. They're not adding anything to the group, so I just had to let them go. And I think that's one key factor why we have a really good bunch. And the other thing is, you know, maybe luck, because there are some bad people. I know there's one scammer in the group, but you know, generally I'm really happy with all of you, especially who are active and come to the Zoom meetings. Are amazing people, so I'm glad to have met you all.
Thank you. I know you mean me.
Thank you, Thomas. Thank you.
Likewise, Thomas. Likewise.
Yay.
Yeah, likewise. I've been in a few groups. This is definitely the best one, hands down.
Thank you, Philip. As we...
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I really enjoy talking in the Zoom. It's not like other groups.
So Dan on YouTube says, I want to join AlphaFX, but price is high to join. If I remember correctly, Dan was one of the few people who were quite rude to me on YouTube in the comments. So even if you pay, you're never going to join our team. Okay. Now gold is pushing back down.
We might have a retest with gold because it was in a wedge, eh?
You see wedges everywhere. Let me just go back to trading view. This is a possible scenario because if we go down to a lower time frame, you can see how aggressively Croak yeah, every impulse move is followed by what?
Retracement.
Pullback.
Perfect. Exactly. So, I mean, that's one possible scenario. It doesn't mean it's going to work out, but, you know, there's the opportunity. This is a possibility game. So, yeah.
Thomas, I have a question concerning the W and the M pattern. Is that always, when you see an M pattern, for example, at the end of a downtrend, does that also mean exhaustion of the current trend?
Yeah, quite possibly the reason why M pattern. So let's imagine that you have. Let's imagine that this is the profit target where you're expecting a reversal. Price is coming up, and then you see a natural M or any kind of M. You know, it's an M pattern, and people get tricked into the double tops. But usually, I found it personally that the natural M's are always appearing at the end of a bull run. It doesn't matter what time frame. But usually it's, let's say you have the profit target or potential pivot point here, you go down to lower time frame and these M patterns appear on the lower time frames. But this is only, you know, doesn't always work 100% every time. But yes, that's my observation.
Mm-hmm. Because last time you said that, not now, but a few, I think maybe a month ago, when we were at the 1830 area, somewhere there, and you said there's an M that stood for exhaustion, and it went down.
Yeah, because I was right.
But it was after a huge upwards move. So I was wondering, do you encounter that also on the downtrend when it forms an M or a W, I don't know what, that stands for exhaustion?
Double bottom, double top, you know, it's the same thing, we just call it different ways. But if you go down to, if you know exactly the levels, the entry levels, the pivot levels, the whatever level you call it, but you know there's something going to happen at that level, you go down to, you mark your chart on a higher time frame, then you go down to a lower time frame, and that's where the magic happens. That's where you see, you know, structure breaks, trend line breaks, patterns. You know, it's all the higher time frame analysis with the lower time frame.
Okay, thank you.
Well, in my opinion, double tops, and I think it appears after a nice bull run, like a huge bullish move, and then it makes the double top and it goes down again. Not when it market is moving slowly to upside.
Yeah, I'm just gonna grab a tea, 1 second.
Okay. So Thomas, we can use this as a difference between the M pattern and double top.
Can you remind me what was the difference?
Okay. The double top appears after a very big bullish move, but the M pattern appears after like higher high and higher low, higher high, higher low. Not a big bullish move.
I think it depends on the time frame, really, but yeah, it could be one explanation. If you have enough observations, then you know you could just backtest it. And these are the kind of gems you come across in trading. You recognize these observations, these occurrences on different pairs, different assets, and you know that gives you an edge. For example, 2 years ago on GBP JPY, during the London Open, 10 minutes before the London Open, there was always a 20 pip jump. It was going on for like 6 months. Man, I've never seen so many people making shit ton of money every single London Open. Well, it was like, you know, 3 times a week, but people were literally, I've seen people who were trading that 20 pip jump or 10-20 pip, they made shit ton of money, and after 7 months, you know, it was gone, but it was good.
Oh.
Let me just change the music because it's really boring now. Right. We have 99 viewers on YouTube. It's a wonderful day.
Yeah.
Let's
Generally, when you
go ahead.
Generally, what I notice on gold when it makes small moves, it's generally just before the storm, before an explosion. That it has a couple of days, 2-3 days, and it doesn't move really big steps, and then it breaks out.
Yeah, the sidewave move. It happens, but you know, in these sidewave movements, that's exactly when the weekend traders got shaken off. And you know, I like to wait for the sidewave move to finish and then wait for these breakouts. But you're a good observation. You have a good observation. Hey, GBP USD came back.
Did you close your US 30 trade?
No, I'm still in.
No, okay.
Have you?
No, I didn't go in, so I've just been watching it.
I was actually waiting for the sell limit to activate, but it did not. So, what do you think, Thomas?
On what?
US 30.
What do I think of US 30?
Sell limit did not activate. It kept going down. I remember you said something about retracement if you want to get in, take advantage of the trade.
Yes, so I'm just going to pull up my trading view and show you what we discussed in the morning on US 30. What?
I think I missed that.
No, that's fine.
I'm at work
so
anyway. I'm at work.
Phil and I took this trade in the morning because this good resistance level, multiple confirmation. So we took a sell. I took a sell. We all took a sell. But I said, be careful. Last day of the month, and currently the market is in a correction, in a retracement, because stock markets are digesting the possibility, the reality of interest rate increase. Now, we discussed many times what's happening if the Fed is increasing interest rates. The cost of borrowing of the companies on the stock market is going to go up. If the cost of borrowing goes up, meaning that the valuation of the investment firms and analysts are going to, this interest rate increase is going to have an effect on the valuations of these companies. So on the balance sheet, financial statements, they're going to be worth less, because if the cost is going up, not as much money is coming in because of the inflation, because of slowing down economy, supply chain issues. The valuation going to show that, well, actually this company, it's not really good. And the cost of borrowing is going up, meaning that the repayment of loans are going to be higher, which means if they have higher cost, they're going to have less money to pay the dividends. If they have less money to pay the dividends, why the fuck would people put the money in the stock market when they can go to the treasury and buy some bonds? But anyway, so there's multiple other options. That's why I think longer term, US 30 and generally the stock markets are gonna go down. And if you look at the higher time frame, what do you see on the chart? The Beginning of the Correction. Beautiful title. And US 30, S&P 500, they all broke the 200-day moving average with this big ass candle right here. Also, if you look at the technicals, 200-day moving average is technical, but also it's many hedge funds and investment firms using it as a religious trading tool. But broke the market structure, broke the trend line, and fundamentals are pointing into the direction that we are gonna have a big ass correction. That's what you see on the chart right now. And my best guess would be, back to the beginning of COVID, which would be a good 14% correction. It's 19%, and it's just under 1%, because if there's a 20% correction, that is considered a bear market, and now that is when the shit hits the fans. So I think 19% is just perfect to correct, but not to have a bloodbath. And to answer your question, because I like to talk so much about economics, to answer your question, where is the perfect... Stop me, because it's boring sometimes. So I'm just going to change the music on YouTube. 1 sec. And I'm going to show you the perfect entry point to buy your Lamborghini. It's going to change your life.
Ooh, Mercedes-Benz, actually, that's my preference.
I like that style. So what I'm expecting on US 30, obviously, this is, it's what's good for scalping. I'm going to leave the position. I only opened one lot size. It's running in actually 1.4k sterling, so it's a lot of dollars, by the way. But if you look at the chart, honestly, I think it still has some room to the upside to come higher.
Okay.
And it doesn't drop as hard as previously on this resistance level. So I think what's going to happen is going to move sideways. It's going to spike up to close out the sellers and then drop again. I've sent out the analysis in the Discord chat. You know exactly where are the entry points, and watch back the morning briefing. In this area.
Okay.
Thomas, thank you so much for everything. Have a good day.
No, you're leaving.
Yeah.
Have a good day, mate.
Good day, everyone.
Ciao.
Bye.
Good one. See ya.
Okay, so I just put my US 30 into break even. Maybe a little bit more. Let me just see.
What's the daily target, Thomas?
My daily target? It's a really personal question.
Alright, don't answer.
Anything like 2 to 3% of my account is good, but even 1% is good.
Okay.
But today is a really good day, so I already made 10% of the account at the end of the month, which is really rare that I made this much, because I closed down USD CAD in the morning. That was I think that was around 5k, and I've had a 500 loss on US 30, but I re-entered, and now we're just back again 5.7k. So I think we can call it a day.
Nice. Someone to snap any photos while you were on vacation.
Hold on, I need to lower the music. Say it again?
I'm asking if you took any new pictures while you were on vacation. While you took a break.
Have I took some pictures?
Yeah.
No, I was just looking at my phone. Or when did you ask me to? When did I take pictures? Now.
When you took a break. I'm asking
Yeah.
if it's
When I
not
took.
some...
No, I haven't. Taking pictures of what?
No, because you buy a new lens. You know?
Ah, yeah. No, I haven't. So I'm still waiting for on Amazon. Let me just show you. So on Amazon, I just purchased a gimbal, Feutech. So I'm waiting for this beauty. Phil, do you use gimbals?
No, I've not really done much video work, but I'm looking to maybe start soon.
Definitely, it's if you're doing photography, but when you enter into films, it's unbelievable how many offers I got from random people in my environment asking can you do a promo video. I was like, mate, I'm not a professional, but they see my stuff on YouTube, which is really, really basic. All the videos I produce on YouTube, everything I learned from YouTube videos. But for you, I think definitely it's going to be an amazing source of income, especially if you do wedding photography. Because on my wedding, the video itself costed the same, so it would have doubled the cost of the photography if we had video.
Yeah.
It's really expensive, and I think it's if you know how to take photos, you know how to make videos.
You're gonna make some cinematic shots.
In it, I will do, yeah. I am, because we starting a new business. We started a new business, and we need promo videos. That's one of the reasons I'm learning all of this stuff, and leveling up my videography game. Because we need promo videos for advertisement and promotion, and I really enjoy making videos, and I can buy, I have a reason to say to my wife why I'm spending thousands of pounds on tech gears, and I say I do it for the business. Did you close down your position, Phil, on US 30?
No, I didn't actually take it. I was just watching. I was waiting to see if it came up a bit higher this morning, and then it dropped. I was saying, "Oh, I wish I took that." But no, I didn't jump in on that. I was just watching.
Okay, New York is opening up.
If it comes back up, then I'll maybe get a chance to enter. But it could just fall now.
I'll be waiting to pull the trigger myself.
Anything is possible.
It looks like it's just going to fall.
US 30.
Yeah.
My MetaTrader
I
is
really
acting
wish I had.
weird.
Sorry, I really wish I had more lot size on US 30. I can't do more than 0.05. Sucks.
Yeah, don't regret. I mean, you know, you work with what you have. Do not ever say that, you know, I wish I hold the position open, you know, I closed early, you know. Take your profit, have a daily target, take it from the market, and then walk away proud. Heads up, chest out, you know. Be proud if you make money. Doesn't matter how small it is.
Yep. True.
I like that energy, Thomas.
Pardon?
I like that energy.
Yeah, you know, that's the only way. If you take it, you have to take it seriously, but there is certain things where you have to be flexible and, you know, motivated. Because if you take it too seriously, it's going to eat you up alive. It's going to chew you and spit out, consuming all your money.
True.
So even if when I hit stop loss, I you know, fuck it. I hit stop loss. That's it. Move on to the next one. Okay. It looks like Goldie is pushing up. Keizo, you still here? And now I'm going to end the discount for the memberships.
You create the website?
Pardon?
You code the website?
I do some coding, yes, but I'm not. I can do stuff, but I'm not professional. But yeah, I'm going to end the discount soon. That's sold out. Product plan 399. Yeah, back to 399.
Thomas, I'm leaving. I have to go get some groceries.
Ah, I do it in the morning. Oh, whoa, whoa, gold is pushing up. Thank you so much, Pascal, for being with us.
Thank you too. Have a lovely day. Good profits, and see you tomorrow.
Good luck on USD Japanese yen.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna end the discount. So, those people who want, I have 2 memberships left, but I'm not gonna do the discount anymore. So I'm going to close down the sales. If you want to join for 50%, feel free. Then you can enjoy being in a Zoom conversation with Phil, with Rayon, with Pascal. All of these beautiful people in the YouTube live stream. So it's already worth every penny. But anyway, let's have another look, a final look on the financial markets. What's happening? First, I'm going to change the music. Yeah, so going back to gold. Yeah, gold, it looks like is pushing up. And I had my initial target at the previous daily high at 1800 and then 1808. So far, it looks like it's going to take out the previous daily high, which that is going to be the price level where I'm taking position, taking some partial profit. What else we had? We had AUD/USD. Yes, this was an entry on during the live stream. It's not a massive profit, but 17-20 pips. If you catch 10-20 pips each day, lucky. It's good profit. GBP/USD pulled back up. I'm glad I didn't take this trade because I was expecting this cheeky fucker to come back up, but it's still within the risk tolerance level, still at the entry point, and I'm still expecting this bear flag pattern to hold. Maybe price is going to come a little bit higher because we have another confirmation to sell at 1.34600 before the drop. USD CAD on the other hand looks more promising. For those of you who didn't enter, I'm waiting for a retracement. So you know that I have a position in USD CAD. Many of you have a USD CAD position, I know. The highest probability for a pullback will be at 1.267,400, and then we should be good to go higher. Did I miss anything? No, okay. Yeah, we talked about US30, so US30, there you go. Perfect entry around in this zone. Just kidding. Whoa, gold is really started to push up. And we have a new member, Nicola Spirini. Welcome to the team. Oh, Polylopimus. Oh, you, Mr. P, Miss Pirini, Nicolas Pirini. Come join the Zoom. Let me see. Where are you? And Solomon in the group chat, he literally signed up to the MyForex Fund challenge with my discount. And he's already in $2,000 profit. Wow. He's good. We need to have a count. How many funded traders do we have? Okay. Right. Got a little bit tired now. It's almost 2 hours into the stream. Do you guys know the drill? Are you confident with all of the setups and positions we just discussed? Wakey wakey.
Yeah, all good.
All good, awesome. That's what I like. Gold, it looks like it's going to push up as you know, it's going nicely. I wish you a good evening, guys, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Do not go crazy, it's the end of the month. We're going to have many opportunities this week, such as NFP, which, you know, we all like NFP and CPI and PMI and all of these. So don't go crazy, do not risk anything more than 2 to 3%. And see you tomorrow 8 a.m. sharp for the morning briefing, okay? Have a good day. Thank you.
You too, mate.
Cheers.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, Thomas.
Okay.
Thanks.
People in YouTube.
Thank you, Thomas.
You're welcome. People in YouTube, thank you so much for joining into the stream. If you like the live streams, hit the like button. If you really like it, share it to, you know, trading groups. I want to hit 100,000k. Just kidding. So if you like it, make sure you know, follow my Telegram. Link in the chat. I'm going to post it now because I'm posting the live stream links. Make sure you enable notifications. That's very important. And then when I post something, when I post a link for the live stream, you get a notification. So let me just get where is the link? I'm sending the link into the YouTube chat now. God, it's difficult to organize when I have 2 computers, 1 laptop. Okay, so link is in the chat right now. Join my Telegram and you will get a notification about when I go you know, live on YouTube. And I do post pictures of myself, of my breakfast sometimes as well. You don't have to be afraid I'm not. Anyway, thank you so much for joining in. I wish you a really relaxing evening. Spend it with family, friends, have some time off from the charts. It's the end of the month. This week we're going to have more opportunities on Thursday and Friday. I'm going to be live streaming tomorrow as well, 1 p.m. in the afternoon. See you later. This is the Alpha FX.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments. Trading.